Hello students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be fine and staying home and doing your study at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today we are going to discuss the summary of chapter Ranga's Marriage. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. Ranga's marriage. Firstly, we will do the introduction. Ranga's marriage summary is an interesting take on the story of marriage by Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. In this story, the narrator tells us about a very interesting incident from his life. It is about the village of Hosharli. In that village, there was a boy whose name was Ranga. The special thing about the boy is that he is the first one to go to Bangalore to learn English. Thus, upon returning, the narrator as well as the villagers wish to see him. They feel that the Ranga would now be changed. But he doesn't go through any changes. The narrator decides to marry off Ranga to a suitable bride, suitable girl. So we learn about how the marriage arrangement happens and what all takes place in that duration. It is an interesting story about marriage and villagers' life. So let's move to summary. Ranga is a boy living in the village of Hosharli in Mysore. He goes to Bangalore to receive English medium education because he was the son of an accountant of the villager. Upon returning to the village, all the villagers flood to his place to notice any change in the boy. It means all the villagers gathered at their home to notice any change in Ranga. However, to their disappointment, Ranga is the same as he was before, but when they saw that he looks like same as he was earlier, then they feel sad and went away from there. He even greeted everyone with a namaskar, and thus everyone left. The village of Hoshali is a nice village with very good mangoes. It means the specialty of the village is its mangoes. Hoshali is a small village which is not even that famous. After the villagers leave Ranga's house, the narrator stays back at his place to talk with him. Narrator is Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. Thus they started talking, and the narrator thought it would be a good idea to find a suitable girl for Ranga. Is not thinking of marriage just yet. Narrator thought that he should find a girl for Ranga, but Ranga is not thinking of marriage just yet and wishes to marry to only a mature and admirable girl. Thus, the narrator decides that he will surely get Ranga married. He feels that Ratna would be a perfect match for Ranga because Ratna belongs to a big town and is an expert in playing musical instruments like veena and harmonium. Thus, he decides to call Ratna deliberately when Ranga was visiting. Upon seeing Ratna, she mesmerizes Ranga. However, the narrator plays a game and lies to Ranga that she is married. This disappoints Ranga as he starts liking her. As per the narrator's plan now, he takes Ranga to an astrologer. Ranga has already made arrangements with astrologer. Sorry, here narrator has already made arrangements with astrologer, and everything was pre-planned. So the astrologer asks questions to Ranga which helps him admit the fact that he likes Ratna. The problem of her marriage was at the head. Nonetheless, the astrologer tells Ranga that he is in love with a girl whose name resembles Ratna. Upon hearing this, Ranga gets very happy but sad again because she is not available. Thus, upon confirmation that Ranga loves Ratna, he decides to set up their marriage. He means narrator. The narrator goes to Ratna's house to ask her hand in marriage for Ranga. Finally, the story fast forwards to 10 years later. Ranga is visiting the narrator to his son's third birthday. We learn that Ranga and Ratna got married and Ranga named their son after the name of narrator who made the marriage happen. So come to the conclusion. To sum up, we learn about the beauty of a quaint village and its customs and tradition. Plus, it highlights the struggle to preserve our culture against westernization. I hope students you got the summary. It is the easiest one chapter in your book. Let's learn about 3 vocabulary words. First one is deliberately. It means consciously and intentionally or on purpose. Mesmerize. Mesmerize means capture the complete attention. And quaint. Quaint means attractively unusual or old fashioned. Because their village was a quaint, it means it was old fashioned village. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.